So this is a lever lock from a safety deposit box in an old bank, and I thought I'd show you guys how it works. It uses keys like this. Okay. And what I've done here, take this off. Since I don't have the banker key, this little guy here, I've removed the levers that operate it. So a lever looks like this. It's just a little flat brass piece. And they went on here, on this peg that I'm covering with my hand. And the little tail on it here would contact the banker key down on this side. But I've removed them and replaced them with flat washers. So what I'm going to see is if I can actuate this without the lid on. It's kind of hard because things tend to wiggle around a lot, but we'll see what we can do. So you can see up here, here's the lug for the bolt. The lug for the bolt doesn't fit through all the levers. So in theory, if all the levers stay down, when I turn this, everything will line up. Nope. So that does not work very well without the lid off, or without the lid on rather. But we can do it this way, and you can see all the levers moving out of the way, and then the bolt being retracted. So each of the little cuts in the key contacts a lever and pushes it out of the way so that the bolt can retract. And if the other levers were in there, like this, then the second key would have to contact them back here and push those out of the way also, so both keys would always be required to open the lock. There you go.